So the first topic is types of numbers. Imagine करो कि हमारे पास एक नंबर लाइन है. नंबर लाइन हम सब ने देखी हुई है. It's all of the negative numbers and all of the positive numbers, और वो दोनों साइड पे infinite तक जाते रहते हैं. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on आगे तक. 0 बीच में होता है, and then on the left side are all the negative numbers जो forever तक जाते हैं. इसको कहते हैं number line. Now in this number line, all of the numbers that you see written down are called integers. ठीक है? These are all integers. So minus 1000 is an integer, minus 5 is an integer, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. ये सब integers होते हैं. और अगर मैं इनमें से सिर्फ positive numbers को consider करूँ, including 0, meaning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, इन सब को मैं कहूँगा whole numbers. So we have two categories now, integers and whole numbers. There's another category. इनको कहते हैं counting numbers. जब हम किसी बच्चे को counting सिखा रहे होते हैं, then we say, ये कितने apples हैं? So there's 5 apples or 4 brownies or 6 glasses or 7 pencils. When we count something, those are called counting numbers. So counting में usually आप 0 को include नहीं करते. Your counting is always in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on forever. So if you don't include 0 and you only include all the positive integers, those are called counting numbers. इनको natural numbers भी कहा जाता है, counting numbers भी कहा जा सकता है. So and we have 3 categories now. We've got integers, we've got whole numbers, and we've got counting numbers. Now, number line के अंदर उन्होंने देखा है कि सिर्फ इन numbers के अलावा, सिर्फ इन whole numbers और इन integers के अलावा, there is more numbers too. मतलब अगर मैं 1 और 2 के बीच में एक line बनाऊंगा, that's 1.5. That's also part of the number line. 5 और 6 के बीच में 5.5 होगा. और 5.5 और 5 के बीच में 5.25 होगा. As long as I can represent them as a fraction, उनको कहते हैं rational numbers. So a rational number is any number that I can represent as a fraction. An example of that is 1 over 2. An example of that is minus 7 over 3. An example of that could be 2 over 3. An example of that could be 4. मतलब क्या किसी भी normal number भी rational number होता है. Any number which you can convert into a fraction. And then we've got our irrational numbers. Now, irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be written down as a fraction. The most common one you've heard is pi, which is 3.1415926535 and goes on forever. Another example is the square root of 2, which is 1.41421356 and so on. इसको किसी भी fraction के तौर पे नहीं लिखा जा सकता. And because of that, these are called irrational numbers. Now, ये सब numbers जो हमने किए हैं, all of these categories are part of something we call real numbers. ठीक है? So all rational numbers and all irrational numbers are called real numbers. Now, these are the numbers that exist on the number line. ठीक है? Any number that exists on the number line is a real number, which includes all rational numbers and all irrational numbers.